In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync a Lovable project with GitHub and edit it in Cursor AI. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that connects your visual project environment with a code editor so you can make changes more flexibly and then bring those updates right back into Lovable. This is especially useful if you want the speed of visual building, but also the control of editing the actual code directly. First, go into your Lovable settings and connect your GitHub account. Once that connection is active, push your project to a new repository. This step creates the link between Lovable and your codebase, which is what makes the rest of the workflow possible. If you're doing this for the first time, just make sure the repository is newly created and associated with the correct project, so everything stays organized from the beginning. After that, open Cursor AI. From the top menu, choose File, then open Folder, and select the local project folder if you already have it on your machine. If you don't, you can instead clone the project directly from the GitHub repository URL. Either approach works, so use whichever fits your setup better. The main goal here is to get the exact project files opened inside Cursor so you can start editing the code safely and efficiently. Once the project is opened, make the code changes you need inside Cursor. This could include updating components, adjusting layouts, refining logic, or cleaning up parts of the project structure. As you work, it's a good idea to review your edits carefully so you only commit the changes you actually want reflected back in Lovable. When you're done, commit the updates to your main branch. That commit is the key action that sends your latest project state back through GitHub, keeping your repository and visual workspace aligned. Finally, return to Lovable and refresh the project. After refreshing, your synced edits should appear in the visual workspace. This is where you can confirm that the changes made in Cursor have carried over correctly. If something doesn't show up immediately, give it a moment and refresh again to allow the sync to complete. That's the full process. Connect GitHub in Lovable, open the project in Cursor, make your edits and commit them to the main branch, then head back to Lovable and refresh to see everything updated. Once you get used to this flow, it becomes a very efficient way to move between visual building and direct code editing with confidence.